Now, let's start with creation. Another file. I'm gonna call it loan application HTML extension. Good. We're gonna create practically all web elements form right now. So, exclamation mark, enter. I'm gonna type here in title bank loan. Now in body, I'm gonna select H, some header, let's say H4. Application, continental bank loan application. Good. And now I'd like to add bracket here. Bracket, good. Now let me see what's going on. Very good. And then we need to create a form. You type form, select form. Form has action. When we submit, when we use the submit button on this form, it's supposed to go to another web page. So it's gonna be loan reference HTML. So we're gonna send this form results, we're gonna send to loan reference HTML. Very good. File, save. Okay. Now, under form, I wanna create legend. Legend, and in legend, I'm gonna say bank, or better, fill up loan required information. Let me see our legend. Now I'll pull this like that. Let's see. Fill up loan required information. Very good. Before that, we type field set, cut it off, bring it right here, field set. Save. Let's see, this is a field set. Okay. Now, under field set, let's create some elements. Input, type text is fine for us. We need to create ID for this element. Let's say for first name, F name. Then we need to assign name for the element. I'll do same here. Same. Then there is such thing like placeholder. Placeholder. Let's say it's gonna be capitalized first name, and placeholder should be required. Let me see right here. Okay. Now, For this one, I want to create label. Label. Now, label for. Label for first name. And what's gonna be? First name. Or input first name. Simply first name is fine. Let's see. Okay, first name. This is label and this is a text. However, let's say after label, I want to apply break. Okay, and now it's gonna be right. First name and then the text itself. What if I gonna apply two breaks? Let me see. I also should apply break here probably for the next set of elements. Too far. One break is fine. Okay. Let me see. Good. Now copy this. Let's create L name. Last name should be. Last name here text. Input type text. ID obviously L name last name. Here L name. And placeholder is gonna be last. Let me save for now this file. Let us see the preview. Okay, we're doing great. Copy. Okay. Now input type text. Let's say middle name. Even you know what this is, last name is fine by me. Last name. No. Copy. I'm gonna place it right here. Let me see. Middle name here. Middle name is gonna be M name. M name. Middle name. Middle name. Let's see what we've got here. Okay. This one I see. Middle name. Looks fine to me. Okay. Now I need to create another one. And it's gonna be email. Email. Mail. This one gonna be email. ID of this input is gonna be email. Name email is gonna be exact email address here. Okay. Let's see what we achieved. Okay, we're going there. Now we need password. Here, type text. Sorry. Type should be email here. Email type. Now, this input type, password. I'll show you what's the difference now. ID pwd password, name pwd or pwd for ID, label for ID, okay. Now placeholder, provide password also required. File quick save. Let's see. This is our file. So if I'll type email here, blah 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 blah. If I'll submit, it's gonna be an error. And when I type some password, should be stars. Good. Okay. Let me see. Good. Now we passed first phase. File quick save. Let's see what else we can add. Now I'm closing this field set. And I want to create another field set. I'll say bracket here. I want a space. And I want to create another field set. Field set. Same, I should say, for label, for legend. I'll simply copy it. Legend. Loan additional information it's gonna be. Let me see. Here, loan, okay. Loan, additional information. Now, first of all, I'd like to select, let's say, some paragraph. Paragraph. Okay. After paragraph will be break. And paragraph, let's say, which are you from? Which country? Select. 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 Which country are you from? Okay. And we're gonna create a drop down right now. So you type select. Right here, select. We need to create ID. Name and ID. Let's say name, let's say origin. Origin, country origin. Then I will say origin. And ID origin. So we're gonna have ID of the drop down box and name. Select. Let me see right here. Okay. Right now there are no values there. And we need to select options. Okay, we need to do it between these two selects. Okay, and we start typing option. We populating this drop down with options. Option. Okay. What value will be there? Let's say, well, USA. And name will be United States. Next option, value of the option when we select web elements. It's gonna be, let's say, Latin America. Or South America. South better. Or Latin America. South America. Now let's say it's gonna be no. Mexico. Then let's say you can copy paste, simply speaking. Okay. USA. I'll do Canada. Now Europe. Instead of countries, maybe I'll populate some kind of continents. Oh, you know what? China, India, then let's say it's gonna be Italy, Germany, Great Britain, or here will be value GB, GR, IT, IN, probably like that. I'll add a number of more. Here will be Turkey Betty, TR Turkey, and let's say some another country, Brazil or Argentina, Brazil or Brazil here. Just really random, BR value. Okay. AR, okay. Something like that. File save. Let me see it. Very good. We can select any of them. Very good. Okay. This is first field set. Let me see it again, please. Right here, no bracket is required, I see. Good enough already. Okay. Then we'll create another field set. Or we continue, we create bracket here. bracket, and we continue to work right here. Let me see what else we can put here. Let's say we create a set of checkbox. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna page 4, and I would like to say what kind of bank account do you no, what kind of bank account are you holding? Good. And here let's say we need to create a set of checkboxes. So we say input, type will be checkbox. Let's say name, we need to assign a name, will be checking. And after that, the name. Let me see. Here it is, checking account. Good. Now simply copy and paste. Savings here, another account will. Oh, sorry, it's still checkbox. The type itself is checkbox. Here will be savings, savings account. This one checkbox. Type will be wealth account. And this one will be investment. Copy. Capitalize it, that's it. Investment account. Let me do quick file save. Let me see it. Okay, checking, savings, and so on. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. Now we need to do bracket. Bracket. And let's say we create another one. I'll simply copy it. What kind of assets do you have? Let's say. What kind of do you own? Own or have? Okay, have is enough. It's gonna be same checkbox. Let's say you have some inheritance. Have inheritance. Next type, you might have, let's say, real estate. Real estate, or simply here will be real name. Inherit is enough here for name, real. Then, let's say, you have some stocks. Stocks. Stocks or stock better. stock. And you might own, let's say, some kind of commodity or collection. Sometimes people have collections. Okay, let's see what we've got here. File, save. Let's see collections here. Okay, good. Now let's do it again. It's additional formation. So that's why we need what kind of debts do you owe? What kind of debts do you have? Okay, same checkbox. We need to create a checkbox. Let's say you give some kind of mortgage. You're paying, you own a mortgage to bank. H, and here will be more. Then let's say you own credit card. Here will be CC. Name, simply name. Then let's say you got line of credit. Say will be line of credit lock. And let's say what else you can own. And that's enough probably. Okay. File save. Let me see what we've got here. We're gonna do it soon. We're going to style it with cascading style sheets soon. Okay, we're moving there. Let me think what else we can do. We might add some radio button, let's say. Who are you actually? Okay, so after that, I'll copy this one. I say personal information. Or better, I'll do it in separate field set. I'll come some field set. Simply another field set. Field set. Legend. Customer personal information. Customer personal information. Okay. Probably after that field set, I'd like to have some bracket. Let me see here. I applied bracket also here. Field set bracket. I'd like to pull it back. Okay. Right here, let's input something. Let's say input. Input gonna be type radio. Let's say radio ID will be male. Now, name right now, I'm not gonna be doing it. Okay, and I need to create a label for this radio first. So, label for ID male. and value will be male. Let me see here. Here it is customer personal information, male. Okay, now I'm gonna do same for female. For female, and here ID will be female. Female. Let me see how we're doing here. Male, female. Now you see, we got here that we can pick both of them. It's not checkbox and it's not supposed to happen. So that's why we need a name for both of them same. Name, gender. And here name, gender. Now file, save. Let's see. You see, you can now you edit name. Now you edit name. Same name for both radio, name gender. So you can select only male or female. That's exactly what we want. Now, field set again. That's what we did, legend. Now we need break. Break here. And now we should, let's say, no, before legend, probably let's say break after break, okay? We need some kind of paragraph here. Let's say, are you existing customer? Are you existing bank customer properly? Bank customer, question mark. Let's say we need another radio. So input, type radio. Now ID, let's say exist, and will be existing. Existing customer. Now we need some kind of before radio, we need label. So label for ID exist. Now label will be here, cut it off. Here on label will be existing customer. That's it. Now I'll simply copy both of them, paste, new customer, ID obviously, new and new customer. New customer. Okay, let me save this work. Let me see what we've got. Okay, existing. And that's probably it right now. Let's create style. Style. Now, and here we type, let's style body first. Body, bracket open. Okay, let's say background color. Let's say this one. Then font, text style, font family. Let's say this one, I'm not sure about it right now. Arial, Helvetica, Verdana. Okay, good enough. Now, font style, let's say normal. Font size, let's say medium. Font weight, okay, probably 100. Let me see what's going on here. Background color not good at all. Let me see something realistic. Floral white is fine by me. Well, see again. Ghost white. Let's say good enough. Okay. And I'll click File Save. And let's not now open this form in a browser. Now I opened it. Let's see our full-size form. Good enough. Okay. That's existing. However, we need to submit this form. So we need a submit button. Right here, we go to the bottom of it, form, and we submit the form itself. So we should be inside the form. Let's say bracket, bracket, and we need another input. Input type submit and value submit bank application. Okay, value of the, it could be button or could be submit. It means the default button. Let's save. Let me check right here. Okay, here it is, submit bank application. And when we submit, type submit, this form's supposed to go this loan reference HTML, which we're gonna create. Now I'm back here. I click refresh and we got here submit bank application. Let's add another form quickly. Now I'm back. I'm gonna bring back Project Explorer. Gonna save this one. Now I'm gonna create this one. HTML. Now. Okay. Loan reference loan reference, loan. Okay. Loan reference, loan reference, reference. Okay. In the body, let's say header 4, reference. Your bank loan reference number. And let's say that here, say paragraph, bank loan application, after which break. Here paragraph will be, let's say, your will be reviewed. Break, break. One break is enough. And another paragraph. Let's create dummy. Your application reference. Number. And let's say 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3, AAA. Okay. File save. Let me see it. Too much. Brackets really not required here. Good enough. Now, style, body, background color, ghost white, font family. I believe I choose this one. Font size, let's say medium, and font style, let's say italic. Okay, file, save. Let me see the preview. Good enough. So now we created. Let me check it. So first of all, we created about. Then we created loan reference and actual loan application. Let's check from loan application to loan reference. Now I'm back. I reload the page. I type something, Mike. Let's say M. Email address, let's say. Password. Additional information, let's say I'm from here. What kind of bank account I have? I have checking account, let's say, whatever. Okay, what kind of assets do you have? Let's say I got collection, okay? That's credit card everybody have. Let's say I have mortgage, okay? I'm male, I'm existing customer, and you click submit. We should go to that loan. That's it. That's it. It's good. We were successful in creating and implementing practically all important web elements. I'll come back, and here they are. Very productive lesson. See you in the next lectures.